True. Yeah. There's no... What about the generators? What do you think would happen?
Well, some buildings, I'm sure, have battery backup, like generator power. But which ones in that, I don't know, man. That's what we're going to find out. Right now, we just don't know. We know that we don't know. That's what we know. This is gonna be cool, man.
Yeah. I'm not gonna post this either. But at least it does show your face.
What in the world? This is so bizarre.
I'm kinda scared. I don't know. But I trust you. I hope that you don't make us die.
Oh man, I drove 18 wheelers that weighed 100,000 pounds, 50 tons,
In the dark.
53 feet long. So don't worry about this. This is. Oh, listen.
Is helping firefighters
They can talk about that.
in the BC interior, but in northwestern BC, they're still blazing. Hundreds of people have been forced from their homes.
See what they say.
Hundreds more are on evacuation alert. The CBC's Sarah Toll reports.
Well, the only thing going on.
BC is finally clearing, with winds now blowing the smoke through the rest of the country.
Can you crack your window just a little bit, just a tiny bit.
Okay.
That's good. Just to get a bit of airflow in here.
Yeah.
Whoa, man.
I have to take a video. Do you think I should take a video?
Yeah, take a video driving. For
Oh
sure.
man. This is amazing.
Look at this.
And look, there's all these houses. They have no electricity. It's just pitch black except our light. And there's a car over there. It says 10:02. Blackout's gonna last.
What's the date? Look at the cat. Look at the black cat. Look, ahead of us.
Yeah, I know. And my camera doesn't show, but at least you're saying.
August 21st, 2010.
The Chinese noodle eating house. Imagine. There's some lights over there because there's some cars and some traffic.
Hey, there's lights on up ahead. Look at that. Look at that restaurant or that market.
And we're gonna get a McFlurry. McDonald's maybe.
This is wild, man. This is so cool to be out.
It's so rare and exotic. You have to take a video. I'm not joking.
I know, yeah. A lot of people doing robberies tonight.
Tonight's gonna be probably one of the scariest nights because you don't.
Look at this, man.
It looks like a ghost town, doesn't it? It looks like an abandoned city, right?
Yeah, Steve.
Like a low population. What does he have to say about this?
She called no later than the end of October. The Muse says she's worried because the Green Party has lost 3,000 members since the last election. The International Monetary Fund says it will hold talks with the government
Chinese
of
store
Pakistan
ahead
to
of
evaluate
us.
the economic impact.
A lot of stores are closed
One
down.
in every 5 Pakistanis has been affected by the disaster, and tens of thousands of people in the south of the country are now being forced to move to higher ground as the river Indus continues to swell. Mike Woldridge has more.
While more people in vulnerable areas along the Indus River
What are you
are still
typing?
seeing their own livelihood.
I'm just typing Steve a message.
3.5 weeks after these monsoons,
At least you brought my camera.
the IMF